Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You should sign in now to the account you use for the service. This gives you access to the controls you'll change. Once signed in, verify whether the profile is supervised or managed because those accounts cannot toggle restricted mode. You'll need an admin. If you control the account, open the platform menu, locate the restricted mode or safety settings, and prepare to switch it off. Make sure you understand where the toggle lives so you don't lose your place. Now go directly to Settings and find the Restricted Mode or Safety section. On desktop, it's often in the footer or under your avatar, and on mobile under Settings, right arrow General. Toggle Restricted Mode off and confirm the change. This removes the filter from your current browser or app. If the toggle is grayed out or not visible, check for browser extensions, parental control apps, or device management profiles that enforce the setting. Those must be disabled or adjusted before the toggle becomes editable. Finish by signing out and signing back in, then restart the app or browser so the platform reloads with the updated setting. If the restriction persists, clear cache and cookies or try a different browser profile to rule out local caching. Make sure network-level filters, VPN, DNS services, school/work firewalls, aren't reapplying restrictions. If needed, disable them temporarily. If you still can't turn it off, contact the account admin or the device manager, because managed policies often require their intervention.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.